Namaste friends. Hope you are alright by the grace of Almighty. Today we'll talk about the vomiting in children. What are the causes, symptoms, pathophysiology and the homeopathic medicine? Common causes are dietary causes, overeating or junk food or spoiled food. Food intolerance like milk and oily food. Infection, viral gastrointestinal, food poisoning, ear or throat infection, or worm infestation. Worm infestation may also cause vomiting. Other causes like teething, motion sickness, fever, gastritis, acidity, emotional stress or fear in children, heat exposure. Sign and symptoms: nausea and repeated vomiting, refusal to eat or drink, abdominal pain is always present, fever or loose motion, dehydration sign, dry mouth, less urine, sunken eyes, and weakness. Child becomes irritable or sleepy. Red flag signs. Refer immediately. Persistent vomiting, blood or green vomit, severe dehydration, high fever. Vomiting in infants less than 6 months. Vomiting after head injury. These are the red line symptoms, red flag symptoms. You should take to the child to the doctors immediately. The best homeopathic medicines: Ipecac. Constant vomiting, vomiting does not relieve. Clean tongue, tongue is clean. Vomiting after eating sweets or foods. These are all the main symptoms of Ipecac. One of the most common remedies in children, that is Ipecac. Ipecac should be taken in 6 or 12 potency. Put in 1 cup of water or 200 ml of water and shake it 50 times or stroke it 50 times, and then after give one spoonful every hourly or every 3 hourly or every 2 hourly. As the problem is arsenic album, vomiting with diarrhea, burning in stomach, child is very restless, wants small sips of water frequently, worse after spoiled food. These are symptoms of arsenic album. So arsenic album also should be taken in 12C or 30C. Put it in 2 drops in 200 ml of water. Shake it nicely 50 or 60 times or 70 times, and 1 teaspoonful every hour you just give. Nux vomica, a great remedy. Vomiting for overeating or junk food. Irritable child, sour vomiting, nausea with constipation. So this is a sign of nux vomica. If such symptoms are present, please give 2 drops in 200 ml of water, shake it 60 to 70 times, and give 1 teaspoonful every hourly. If it is too much, Ithudha synepium, a great remedy for teething child. Vomiting just after drinking milk. Milk comes out in curd form. Weakness and sleepiness. Useful in infants. Very useful. You should always keep Ethosinapium in your house for a little child if you are having. So the process is same, 12C or 30C, 2 drops in 200 ml of water, and shake it nicely 70 to 80 times and give it to a child 1 teaspoonful every hourly. Then our next medicine is phosphorus. Phosphorus symptoms. Vomiting after drinking water. Child thirsty for cold drinks. He wants only cold drinks. Vomiting when water becomes warm in his stomach. When water becomes warm in his stomach, then child starts vomiting. These are the symptoms of phosphorus. The process is same, potency is same, and take care of child as much as you can. Then our next medicine is Pulsatilla. Vomiting after fatty foods or ice cream. No thirst. Child wants company and fresh air. Better in open air. Next one is Cocculus. Vomiting due to motion sickness, nausea while traveling, dizziness. So Cocculus is very useful in nausea in traveling. If your child is traveling in bus or train or anywhere, so Cocculus works very miraculously. General management. Give small sips of QRS or water. Avoid heavy food. Continue breastfeeding in infants. Light diet, rice water, banana and khichdi. Maintain hydration. Give sip by sip water to the child. Friends, this is most crucial subject in children, especially in little children and infants. So please listen the video carefully and share it as much as you can. Thank you. Long live homeopathy, long live Hanuman.